If you are giving more than 2 hours a week in order to filter your stocks, you are wasting your time. In this video, I will give you guys 2 methods by which you can easily filter out your stocks. Quick introduction. So my name is Apoorv, full-time swing trader in Indian stock market. I have over 5 years plus experience in the market. Recently, I have also cleared my NISM examination and have submitted my document successfully with the SEBI. Right now it is in process. Currently, I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. Author of the book Trading is an Emotion, which is available on Amazon. Go check out. The book is on psychology. Also a top author at TradingView platform. Let's begin with method number 1. Type this on Google, Chartink to TradingView extension. Scroll down and click on this Chrome web store. There will be a plugin, Chartink to TradingView plugin. Click add to your particular platform. Once that extension is added, something like this will pop out. On Chartink, if you have your own scans, that is good, and if you follow some of the scans from this particular area, that is also good. Now before we get into this, you can be a breakout type of trader, can be a retest type of trader, or a support or a trap trader. For example, let's say that you are going to check out the potential breakouts, right? So click on the potential breakout, and now when you scroll down, you will see that there is a different mark that is coming here that looks like kite symbol, that is of 0. All the extensions that you have come at this particular area. So when you click on the Chartink to TradingView, it will show you two things. Open chart and kite button, that is integrated directly to your 0 platform. That means once you filter out whatever stock you want to trade or whatever strategy you follow and you have run that particular scan, now you can directly click on this button and go directly to your 0 terminal and trade that particular stock on the basis of your own strategy. What I am going to do here is simply click on the copy button and copy all the symbols. As you can see, these are not the actual stocks. So what I will do is I will go back. Let's go to short-term breakouts. Here we have 2 stocks. Let's say we click on the copy button, symbols, and the stocks are copied. Now I am not saying that these are the breakout stocks right now. Let me make sure this thing that I'm not talking about any stocks. I'm not talking about anything in this particular video, just showcasing you how you can do this on your own strategies. Now this is how my trading view looks like. So I have opened one of the list. Now I know a lot of people do not have the lists option because you might not be trading with a premium version or a pro version or whatsoever version. In that case, I will still tell you another method of TradingView platform, so stay tuned till the end. So those who have the list or can add some of the stocks, so what you need to do is simply click at the add symbol, and when you come to this particular area, now you have to put this command Control V directly, and once you do Control V, you don't have to do anything but click on the enter button. Once you do that, both the stocks are here. Now you do not have to copy the CSV file from here and there and do all that stuff. No, simply this particular extension helps you copy all these particular stocks in a matter of seconds. Get your output on TradingView. Now at TradingView platform, whatever the analysis you want to do, if that is your strategy, you can finally make the analysis happen fast. Now I have written weekly here. Once you write weekly, you will have a lot of weekly oversold, overbought structure stocks here. A lot of them are here. Now what you need to do is simply copy symbols. Okay, come back to TradingView platform, click on the plus button, click here, Control V, all these stocks are here. Simply click on the enter button and all the stocks added to your watch list. Now you can go through them. This is how easy it is. If you are wasting time CSV file or copying or writing down that particular stock, it's wasting your time. Do not do that. Now I'm going to talk about the second method. The second method originates directly from your TradingView platform. You can see the screener button right here on the TradingView platform. Simply click this button, and this will help a lot of people who do not have a premium version, a pro version. Still, you can go through hundreds and 200s of stocks. Believe me, I will prove it to you. Watch the video till the end. Take example of a fundamental type of trader. I will also take example of a price action trader, and then I will take the example of a combination of the traders, and still you're getting those stocks and you don't have to add them to any list, and still you can go through every single one of them. So all these options will be right in front of you. You can see 2809 stocks are there. First you need to click on this button, NSE. If you click also on the BSE, what will happen? Some stocks will repeat themselves, like Reliance on NSE, Reliance on BSE. So you need to close that so that you have the exact number of stocks listed on NSE with good volumes, 2809. But still liquidity can be an issue, so we can also put a cap on liquidity, but later on you guys can do that, and that is also a filter here. For example, you are a person who only wants to see PE ratio, a low PE ratio or a moderate PE ratio type of person. So all these stocks right here have a low PE ratio, and also if you click on the change button, that is also giving you the daily change. Let's go to this particular percentage change. By the way guys, if you have not subscribed this channel till now, make sure you subscribe this channel because a lot more amazing content is coming. I've been posting the verified PNLs lately, a lot of them explaining my strategies, different type of A type and B type of setups of mine. If you are new to this channel, do watch those videos as well and subscribe this channel right now. Let's aim for 11,000 subscriber. I hope you guys will help me reach the 11,000 mark. Simply click on the weekly because we are talking about weekly time frames mostly. Let's say that you want to see the stocks which are having a P ratio of low P ratio first of all, and then you also need to see this particular week. If those stocks, you go to manual settings, you go to above value and enter a value here, let's say 3%, because imagine a stock that has moved above 3% on a weekly time frame when the markets are falling more than 3-4% index. If the index has fallen 3-4%, mid cap, small caps have fallen 5-6%, and this particular stock for the whole week given you more than 3%. So something can be created there, right? Some particular strategy can be created out of that, and that is showing you a bullish momentum and also a small P ratio. Now I'm not saying this is a strategy, just coming out randomly with this thought process to show you guys how to filter out and add those stocks. Once you do that, you have 33 stocks right here. What you need to do is click on this move overlay to split view. Click on this button right here so that this is closed. Now once you click on this particular stock, you will have that stock at half of the window on the weekly time frame. You will have that particular stock. Click on that button. You don't have to add it anywhere, and simply when you scroll down, you will be able to look out to all the stocks, all those filtered out stocks fast. You don't have to add this to anywhere. You don't have to write it down anywhere. Simply click some clicks on your TradingView platform, and this trick will let you go through all of them. Let's remove the P ratio and everything, and let's say that you are a trader who's saying that for the whole month, if the stock is trading above 3% mark, that is good for me. You also want to add volume indicator, so you simply click on the plus button, add volume, and volume here. Volume should be above at least 1 lakh. That is what you want, and once you do that, you have 128 stocks yet again, and you don't have to add them. What you need to do is click on them, and because you are going for the monthly ones, so you go on the monthly time frame here as well. So now you are having all those stocks. Now you can simply close this bar so that you have the whole canvas to yourself. Click on that particular stock again, and simply the down button on your keyboard, and you can go through all the monthly ones which are having more than 3% momentum, more than 1 lakh volume for the whole month. Some filters like that you can create, you can explore them on your own, but these methods will definitely be helping you not waste your time sitting writing those stocks maybe on a piece of paper, or maybe you are just finding ways to create an Excel file and typing it, wasting your time rather than focusing on your analysis game, rather than focusing on your risk management and more stuff, executional stuff, rather than this waste of time. So I hope you enjoyed the video. These two methods will definitely help you boost your game. So you subscribe this channel because the next video I will be uploading. This is my Telegram channel. If you have not followed me on my Telegram, do follow my Telegram channel. I keep on posting some important articles and some important stuff out there. I do not give any calls or tips on my Telegram channel. Let's be clear with that. I post my videos, whatever videos I'm posting on TradingView platform and YouTube. Everything is updated here with a lot more stuff that you guys can see here, a lot more updates. And whenever I get a ping from SEBI and the BSE team, then I will be posting it on my Telegram itself so that you guys know what other steps I'm going to follow in the future. The next video will be on one of my big trades. I will be sharing it with my verified PNL, and I will be sharing the strategy as well. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, make that button gray. Let's aim for 11,000 subscriber. I hope every single one of you will help me reach 11,000. We'll see you in the next one.